Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a very beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanchivaram silk sarees. We have some very beautiful colors and very nice designs, so I'm sure you'll love this collection. So let's get started with the sarees. I'm very excited to share with you this lovely Kanchivaram silk saree in a two-tone color or doobcham color. This is a stunning doobcham Kanchivaram silk saree. The body of the saree has chevron or zigzag kind of motifs running along the width of the saree, and the color combination is a beautiful mix of short purple and blue. The saree has a border in a lovely shade of short purple with a zari stripe. The short purple pallu of the saree has zari stripes and Banaras motifs in zari. The blouse fabric of the saree is in the same lovely short purple as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this saree with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. Vairavusi Kanchivarams are among the grandest of Kanchivarams, and they are usually part of the bridal trousseau. We have for you a stunning Vairavusi Kanchivaram in a lovely shade of green. The gorgeous green of the saree has the Vairavusi stripes or Vairavusi needles here. You can see them along the length of the saree. There are small buttas in zari all over the body of the saree. The borders of the saree have zari, quilkand motifs and temple motifs. The gorgeous grand pallu of this fabulous Kanchivaram silk saree is completely done in zari, and it has motifs of pakshis, mile chakrams and vanki. The saree comes with a gorgeous maroon Vairavusi blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional diamond or gold jewelry. Checks give a smart and elegant look to the saree. We have for you a lovely Kanchivaram silk saree with all over checks or cut-ups. The body of the saree is in a blackish shade, and there are cut-ins or checks all over in maroon. The borders are in maroon, and it has lovely quilkand motifs in zari. The short maroon pallu of the saree has seepareke in zari. This is a very smart combination, and the saree has an absolutely elegant and beautiful look. The blouse fabric of the saree is in a lovely short maroon, and it has the same borders as the saree. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. A very unique and very exclusive saree. This one is in a pretty shade of pink. The body of the saree is in a very pleasing shade of pink, and there is a zari stripe along the border. The pallu of the saree is in a lovely shade of mustard, and it has zari cut-ins all over the pallu. This combination of pink and mustard is a very unusual combo, and it is sure to make you stand out in a crowd. The saree comes with a mustardish blouse fabric with the same zari checks as the pallu has. This is a very versatile blouse. You can pair this saree with its own blouse, and you can also pair this blouse with many of your other sarees. You can accessorize this saree with some lovely traditional gold jewelry. We have for you a gorgeous threadwork Kanchivaram silk saree in a stunning mix of orange and pink. The body of the saree is a lovely doobcham. It's a mix of orangish and pink, and it's a stunning color. And the borders are beautiful floral motifs and Jadainaga motifs all done in thread. The grand pallu of the sari is intricately woven with threadwork, and there are beautiful motifs like Banaras, floral motifs, and Jadainaga motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful shade of Rani pink, and it has the same borders as the sari has. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it with an orange blouse or bottle green blouse. You can accessorize it with beaded jewelry or traditional gold jewelry. Yellow and Araku is a traditional and auspicious combination and often chosen in bridal choices. We have a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari for you in this lovely combination. The yellow body of this gorgeous Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari has Pakshi motifs in zari, and the Korvai borders are in Araku, and there are Rettapettu zari borders, and the motifs on the borders are Pakshi motifs. The Araku pallu of the sari has zari bands. This is a classic combination and perfect for special and bridal occasions. The sari comes with an Araku blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Odikattam or small checks give a very smart and stunning look to the sari. We have for you a beautiful Odikattam Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely combination of Araku and orange. The body of the sari has small or tiny Odikattams in a combination of orange and Araku, and there are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have a stripe of zari. The gorgeous green pallu of this sari has elaborate and intricate zari motifs of Rettamayil, that is twin peacocks, Pakshis, and beautiful diamond motifs all done in zari. The sari has a gorgeous green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gorgeous gold tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. White and silver is a combination that always makes a statement. We have for you a lovely Yettukol Kanjivaram silk sari in white with silver colored sari. This is a gorgeous Yettukol Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari is white and the borders are temple borders woven using the Yettukol weaving technique, and the zari is silver colored zari. The pallu of the sari has Tazhavu Rekku and Seepu Rekku, both woven in silver colored zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but given the versatile nature of this white Kanjivaram silk sari, you can pair it with a colored blouse in some other color like maroon or green, deep blue, purple, Rani pink, etc. and accessorize it with contrasting jewelry. Another Vairavasi Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a stunning shade of royal blue. This is a stunning royal blue Kanjivaram silk sari. It's a Vairavasi Kanjivaram. You can see the zari lines on the body and the beautiful zari motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders have Darbarpet motifs in zari, and there is a lovely short green selvage which highlights the beauty of the sari. The breathtaking pallu of this sari has intricate zari motifs of Pakshis, Mail Chakram, and Gudare, that is horse motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is a Vairavasi blouse fabric in the same color combination as the body. You can pair this sari with its own blouse, or you can pair it with a golden tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional diamond or gold jewelry. Our Kanjivarams are curated with great care, and we make sure that we bring to you absolutely the best in terms of colors, designs, and quality. You can shop for our beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.